with it, I'm going with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming in.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a apple cider vinegar rings on my rusty crusty dusty hair that's been in a wash and go for a week now, and all those white things that you see is buildup gel, and that's not good. So I'm going to take half of water, half of apple cider vinegar and mix it together. But first, before that, I'm going to wash out all the product out of my hair. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you the benefits of the apple cider rings. The apple cider rings balances the pH balance of your hair and also your scalp. It helps exfoliate and remove buildup product. And also it's a great treatment for dandruff and hair loss. So now that my hair is rinsed out, and as you guys can see, all the product is out of my hair is stripped of all the gel and everything else. So I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar rings and I'm going to spray it on my scalp and just massage it in. It's just like removing buildup makeup from your face. We all know that your skin is the largest organ on your body. So just like your face and just like your scalp, it has pores. So when you're trying to remove all the buildup product from your hair, you scrub it just like how you try to remove all the buildup product from your face when you're removing your makeup. It's basically the same concept. You got to clean your pores so your face can glow. You got to clean your hair pores on your head so your hair can grow, basically. So now that my hair is fully rinsed out, as you guys can see, my scalp is really clean and nice. I'm just going to go in with my African black soap shampoo that I got from TJ Maxx and just continue with my regular wash day routine. This step is optional. I just do it because I want to make sure that my hair is extra clean, because as you guys can see in the beginning, my hair was dirty. So this is just an extra step. You can skip this step and just continue with the conditioner and your wash day routine will be done, but this is just an extra step for me to make sure that my hair is fully cleaned. So now I'm going to condition my hair with the Alafia Mint and Vanilla conditioner, and I'm going to finger detangle my hair because I forgot my comb in the room and I don't have time to go back. So I'm just going to finger detangle, and as you guys can see, my fingers are just gliding through. This conditioner is the truth, okay? My fingers are just gliding through. I'm going to do that throughout my whole hair and come back on when I'm done, which is almost soon because this is the last step of the routine. is the end of my video, guys. I'm just squeezing out the excess water out of my hair, but as you guys can see, my curls are popping and there's no product in my hair. It's just shining, don't you see? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.